Hi! In front of me is INFINIX Note 30 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off location of this device. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, my shortcut turned gray. That means that location is off, but you can always switch it on by hitting the same one again. If you want to, you can also go into Settings, scroll down and tap on Location section. Then click on this switcher next to it to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!